service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Forsyth County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Lumpkin County in north-central Georgia, southern White County in northeastern Georgia, southeastern Dawson County in north-central Georgia, northern Hall County in north-central Georgia, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over just 8 miles southeast of Dawsonville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source public. At 7:19 p.m. quarter-size hail was reported near Forsyth County. Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs and trees. Locations impacted include Eagleville, Dahlonega, Cleveland, Claremont, Kearney, Coal Mountain, Silver City, Lakeville, Garland, and Warfield Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664. Tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Severe thunder.